Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how you can export your photos and videos stored in your Google Photos account really quickly. So let us get started. Now, if you'd like to save your items here from Google Photos, for example, as separate files or items on your device, offline device like your computer or laptop, you may do that by simply exporting your entire data from Google Photos. To do that, guys, head over to Google Photos. Make sure that you're logged in with your associated Google account to have access to your stored items here. And what you want to do, guys, from your library is click on that gear icon in the top right corner to access your account settings. And from that settings menu here, simply select export data here at the bottom. If that's necessary, guys, expand it by clicking on that drop down or the arrow down icon here and select backup here. After that, you will be redirected to this menu here, Google Takeout. So guys, here you can manage your exports. As you can see, I've already requested an export lately, so I can download the exported data by simply clicking on the download button here. If you haven't done that yet, guys, if you haven't launched or requested any export yet, simply scroll down and select the Google feature products you would like to backup on your device by selecting the checkbox here to the right, which in this case here is next to Google Photos. And after that, continue by clicking on next step here. After that, decide whether you'd like to export that set of data only once or on a recurring basis, for example, every 2 months or every year. Select the file type and size below. And last but not least, guys, once you're ready to download it, simply click on Create Export here. Wait for Google to finish creating the exported data. And after that, you will receive a notification via Gmail, for example, with a download link. And you will also see your last or your recent exported data here with a download link like that inside that menu here to download your exported data by clicking on it. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.